Hi everyone! In this video, I just wanted to talk to you about all the new releases out there. It's the holidays and it's the perfect opportunities for companies to take our money. So out of all the new releases that are coming out, let's talk about which one will I buy. Because for some reason, it's quite entertaining to watch other people talk about what they will purchase and what they will not. It does give you the opportunity to see what's out there. But there are a lot of nice releases by affordable brands. So let's get into it. So some of the stuff I have already purchased, like the Child palette by Colourpop and the Ornate one. But I refuse to buy any more Colourpop palettes until they come out with a holiday collection. Colourpop did release a really nice collab with Kristi. It looks really pretty. The colors of that eyeshadow palette are so beautiful. So tempted to buy it, but I'm just not gonna do it. Oh my god. The gel liners look really nice. I might grab them. I won't do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's so pretty. Colourpop. They did also come out with this pretty fresh hydrating illuminator. I don't know, at first when I looked at it, I thought it was a highlighter. And now I'm just really confused. So it is supposed to hydrate and leave your skin glowing and radiant. So I'm a little confused about this product. I might give it a try. I did not purchase their Stonecold palette and I'm not going to do it. I can't do big palettes. It's just too much. Just some other releases that are out there. E.l.f came out with a lot of new stuff. They came out with all these holiday gift sets, which I'm not gonna purchase any of them because I have no one to gift it to. Because I don't really fully celebrate the holidays. The only thing I do is maybe put up some decorations in the house. I grew up in a very typical Indian household, so Christmas was not really a part of that. I'm starting to celebrate some things during the holidays with the children, and it is fun. I actually really like it. But E.l.f also released some other things like the Putty blushes, which I did order. I will have a video for you in the future. And they had these concealers. These brightening concealers are supposed to be lightweight formula to brighten and highlight your key features. I have them, I already bought it. I'm testing them out and I will have them in a future video very soon. Now let's move on to Milani. So similar to E.l.f, Milani also released blushes. And there is a little bit of a battlefield between the E.l.f blushes and the Milani blushes. I did purchase all of the Milani blushes and there's a video up here if you want to check them out. The Milani blushes are more creamy and they apply evenly. The E.l.f blushes are a little bit more putty-like, so they are a little bit drier compared to the Milani blushes. This is more of a personal preference which one you like, but it's interesting that they release blushes at pretty much the same time. Milani also has some holiday gift sets and they went out pretty quickly. They were sold out, but they are restocked now. So these are little nice kits here in collab with someone named Ourfa. Like an eyeshadow palette and some lip products. So I feel like you're getting your money's worth when you purchase this kit, and it is a really nice gift to give to someone. I did purchase one just to kind of try it out and show you guys how it is. Milani had also launched these lipsticks. The packaging, this is very, very different. Really different from your typical Milani lipsticks. It's a very interesting packaging. I can't wait to see how they look in person when they actually get to my house. I am curious to see what the formula is going to be like because they say that it's supposed to be sheer to medium coverage. And I love Milani lipsticks, so I'm super curious about how these are going to turn out. It has 12 unique shades and is packed with skin-loving ingredients. 85% of this formula contains a blend of nourishing oils, and they are vegan. $8.99 per lipstick. These are a little bit on the expensive side because some of their lipsticks are like $5–6. I hope they're good. Moving away from the brand by brand and on to some interesting releases that are out there right now. There are 2 new Disney releases. One by Makeup Revolution, which completely sold out. I've been trying to get my hands on it and I just can't do it. It's really nice. The packaging is really pretty. They have a Cinderella one, Belle one, and Tiana. The other Disney one that just came out, I saw it on Trend Mood literally 2 days ago. Catrice and Essence. And this one is actually villains and princesses. Which is quite interesting because, you know, some of us feel something for the villains as well. I do like Maleficent. I don't know about the other one though. Is that Ursula? I don't know if I want Ursula on my eyeshadow palette. Yeah, she was just mean. At least Maleficent, we had Angelina Jolie. So I kind of like Maleficent now after that, and the Angelina Jolie movies, you know, they kind of made her nice. I felt bad for her. It's cute, but I feel like it's not as pretty as the Makeup Revolution one. It's a little bit simple, like it's just not super intriguing. It's not very glitzy. Every time you think of Disney, you think of princesses, you want something pretty. I am curious about it a little bit. If I could, I would probably purchase all of them. I'll take Makeup Revolution and this collection as well. Something about Disney princesses, even as a 30-something-year-old woman with 2 children, there's just something really intriguing about Disney. I don't know why. I don't like spending a lot of money on makeup. I stick to the affordable drugstore brands, but something about Winky Lux, every time I walk by it at Target, it's just so pretty. And they came up with these new blushes. They're just, oh my god. Just look at them. They're absolutely beautiful. They're like little flowers in there. They're so pretty. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Maybe in the future there's a sale and I might get them, but or if someone wants to gift it to me, I'll take that. Be my little Christmas present. They're so pretty. They're really, really pretty. Wet n Wild also has this holiday collection. I'm not gonna purchase it. I'm so tired. I'm just tired. I can't buy this much stuff. It's really pretty. I do like that whole Star Luxe theme, but I just can't. L'Oreal came out with this Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. This is an interesting product. It's called Foundation in a Powder. I am really curious about it, so not curious enough for me to actually go online and try to purchase it, but if I'm ever at Target and if it's there, I'm gonna pick it up. But I'm not that curious that I would actually go online and try to find it and purchase it. It's an interesting thought. How useful? I don't know, but it's definitely an interesting product. Kylie Cosmetics came up with this holiday 2020 release. It's the Grinch. I just don't know what to do. It's kind of cute. And it's not Kylie's face, so I'm very happy about that. I have to admit, I kind of like it, and I like the story of the Grinch. I feel bad for the guy. So, but this is really cute. I am really tempted. I'm tempted, but will I do it? I don't know. And I actually really like the color story. I'm not sure how her formulas are, but there's some really interesting shades in her palettes. So it's really cute. It's a nice collection. That's it for my will I buy it video. This was my very first one. I don't know how I did. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you would like to see more of these are a good videos to see what's out there, what are the new releases, and I do always do videos on what I've purchased that's new out there. So there are some of those coming very soon for you guys. Now I did order the Milani lipsticks and that holiday kit, and I do have the e.l.f.'s new blushes and their concealers. Looking forward to filming those videos and showing you those new products. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!